It was indeed a very amazing enlightenment into the parenting aspect, ma'am. We thank you a lot for sharing the practical strategies to help our children, mold into their best. So we continue with the session. I introduce to you Mr. Kiran, who is the Cambridge Coordinator and Exams Officer at Gitanjali Senior School. He's also the examiner for Economics and Global Perspective Research. He recently was appointed as the examiner for Cambridge Singapore A-Levels, the only examiner from India. Sir also trained new teachers across South India in Cambridge curriculum. Sir, please enlighten us about the Cambridge program further.
Thank you, Husna. Thank you so much for the introduction. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So I'm Kiran, as my colleague have introduced. So here I'm wanted to explain regarding the Cambridge curriculum offered at senior school. Let me make it very clear. We have two curriculum available at senior school, ICSE and Cambridge. So I'm talking about the Cambridge part. So Cambridge, why we have to opt for Cambridge curriculum? The first thing parent will think, why I have to go for Cambridge? The first reason is Cambridge will provide holistic development in your child. Cambridge will not put burden on your child. As Dr. Jayanti rightly said, marks is not important. Of course, marks is a bit important, but at the same time, Cambridge focus on knowledge. It is knowledge-based course. It enhances your practical exposure to your child, so that your child will think out of box and answer, and you can experience the things. That is what we do. It is more of learning by doing. So I'll be explaining about the checkpoint program, then IGCSE, ASA level. See, checkpoint is basically 2 years program comprised of class 7th and 8th. In class 7th, we'll be having subjects English, math, science, computer science. At second language, we are offering Hindi or French, foreign language French we are offering. Then they have computer science. Once they complete 7th, they'll be moving to class 8, that is checkpoint 8. In checkpoint 8, they'll be studying a new subject by name accounting that we have introduced. Once they complete the checkpoint 8, they'll also be writing Cambridge board exams. These Cambridge board exams will be conducted in 3 subjects, that is English, maths, and science. And their papers will be sent to Cambridge, and they'll be receiving certificates from Cambridge. That is the beauty of this course. Then once they complete their 8th class, they'll be going to class 9th. That we say IGCSE, that is International General Certificate of Secondary Education. That is 2 years program again, that is class 9th and 10th. Then once they complete their class 9th and 10th, we have subjects options, like we have English, they have math, they have second language Hindi or French they can choose, they have physics, chemistry, biology or accounting, then they have computer science. Once they finish their 9th and 10th, they have an option to go for 11th and 12th, that we say as AS level and A level. AS level implies advanced subsidiary level, A level implies advanced level. The beauty of this course is flexibility. Here the student can choose these subjects what is interested to. We have students who have opted for science as well as business. Science, maths, physics, chemistry with economics. Maths, physics, chemistry with law. There is a flexibility of choosing the subject. And also one more beauty of this course is taking the examination. The examinations are conducted thrice a year. That is in March we conduct in May, we conduct in November. And one more thing about this course is the grading is done from, the parameters are A star to E. A star is achieved only 3% of students who take up this course. And I'm really glad and very happy to say that the 3% constitute even our students. We have achieved all the toppers from our school. We, in the later stage, we'll be showcasing the alumni list where you can see that there are students who have achieved all A's. That is the beauty of this course. Any further information regarding this course will be available in senior school. You can contact the office. I'll be in touch with you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would now introduce Mrs. Deepa Mathur, who's the academic coordinator of Cambridge International Wing at Gitanjali Senior School. Having taught students from varied curricula in Hyderabad, she also has an experience of working with high school students at South Carolina, USA, during her 6 weeks visit there as a part of teacher exchange program. Ma'am, please enlighten us further about the Cambridge academics at Gitanjali Senior School.
Thank you, Husna. Indeed, the Cambridge curriculum is the most relevant to current scenario. It acts as a bedrock transition to university learning not only in India, but in many countries also. Our alumni feedback will cement our views for you at the end of the session. The Cambridge International Curriculum at Gitanjali Senior School provides a wholesome international education following the true values of Gitanjali. The students are provided a myriad of opportunities to showcase their skills in academics, cultural, and sporting events. Our students have won accolades in every competition, including internships and project presentations. The latest being 2 students of AS level, Afnan and Shloka, have won the first prize in the Global Schoolpreneur Summit, in which 700 students had participated. This was conducted by Metamorphosis School of Entrepreneurship. They have won a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. In sports too, our students have made a mark at the national and international levels. We leave no stone unturned to promote and encourage our students to participate in every opportunity available. Now, let's have a quick sneak peek into the world of Cambridge International at Gitanjali Senior School, Begumpet. Satish sir? Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Shloka.
Good afternoon, this is Afnan.
During these tough times, doctors are considered to be our demigods, and it's our social responsibility to protect them. Keeping in view this noble cause, we are here to present our idea, the WISE-ART. What exactly is the WISE-ART?
So the WISE-ART is an air-conditioned mask specifically crafted for healthcare workers and surgeons. Before you is the initial prototype of our WISE-ART. On the right-hand side, you can see the tube which connects the motor and the mask which provides the initial air conditioning. On the left-hand side are basic components which include a glass visor and the fiber cloth. This has been specifically dealt with as it reduces wastage and is environmentally friendly.
man. I have long past the desire to create art because I want to be art. I want to feel with burning passion and desire that doesn't set the world on fire, but instead lights it up.
Apurva Chiruvella is an alumna of Gitanjali Senior School. She is the topper in the ICSE Class 10 board examinations. In the year 2006, Gitanjali Senior School had introduced the Cambridge International Curriculum at the senior school campus to provide an international educational platform to the students. Being a topper, Apurva had varied options to join the course and the institution of her choice. But she knew that Gitanjali is the only institution that can provide a bedrock platform for her career. With this immense faith in the institution, she joined the AS level in 2006 along with Ujjwala Uppaluri. Apurva's confidence and the best teaching faculty made her to pass out the A level with A star in all the subjects. This gave an impetus to her qualification, which made her to pursue undergrad program at the London School of Economics, and later she joined JP Morgan. Ujjwala also passed out the A level with flying colors. She was the India topper in business studies, and later she completed her Masters of Law from the Harvard School of Law.
Hello everyone, my name is Apurva Chiruvella and I graduated from the Cambridge batch of 2008, which was the very first batch from Gitanjali studying this curriculum. Following my studies in Gitanjali, I went on to pursue my bachelor's in accounting and finance from the London School of Economics and Political Science. I opted for the Cambridge course as I liked the application and a really case study based approach that was on offer. It differed to the structure of the regional board certifications like ISC and CBSE. And the Cambridge syllabus most definitely laid a very robust foundation for me for my future studies in accounting and finance. And also, safe to say, given that it is a UK certification, it is recognized by all UK universities and did not require at the time any form of grade conversion that was that worked to our disadvantage in India. Also, I have to emphasize that without the faculty of Gitanjali, I would not have been able to go through the course seamlessly. The teachers put in great efforts in understanding the course content and examination structure. They supported me through the journey and took out a lot of time to ensure I had all the resource and help to achieve the grades required to get selected into a good university. Given a chance, I would definitely choose to go back to Gitanjali again to pursue my Cambridge course. Thank you.
I would now like to introduce Ms. Sulekha Pardeshi, who has completed her AS and A levels from Cambridge curriculum, Gitanjali Senior School. She has secured A stars in accountancy, economics, and business. She has also completed her chartered accountancy course with 3 merit awards for securing highest marks in Twin Cities in IPCC exam. She has also secured the highest marks in Group 1 IPCC exam. She has also cleared the chartered accountancy exam by securing All India rank 32. Let's hear from her.
Hi, I'm Sulekha Pardeshi and I was part of the 2014 class of AS and A levels at Gitanjali Senior School. My decision to complete my +2 education under this curriculum was driven by my aspiration to pursue chartered accountancy in the future. The syllabus has a more practical aspect to it when compared to other curriculums, and this also helps relate most topics to ongoing world issues and to understand them better. This in turn gives an edge over those who are majorly exposed only to a theoretical education. I successfully completed my AS and A levels in 18 months with A stars in accounts, economics, and business. This also helped me appear for the Chartered Accountancy entrance test a full 6 months before the students in other commerce curriculums. I have successfully completed all levels of the CA examination and am now a qualified chartered accountant.
Nischal Narayanam, the recipient of National Child Award in 2008, joined the Cambridge curriculum and completed the IGCSE and AS A-level program in 3 years in 2009.
Nischal also entered into the Guinness World Record in 2006 in the field of memory for memorizing and recalling 225 random objects under 12 minutes at the age of 11.
Nischal is India's youngest chartered accountant and recipient of Most Innovative Education Company Award from British Council at BETT London in 2018. He was the speaker at TEDx BITS Hyderabad in 2018 on how to reinvent education.
He is a world memory champion and one of the 7 brilliant brains of the world. Let's hear from Nischal.
Good
Very
evening,
good evening,
Nischal.
Karan ma'am and Sukumaran ma'am. It's so good to see both of you after such a long time. So namaste. And it gives me great pleasure to be a part of this seminar. First things first, definitely it kind of took us toll down the memory lane, seeing all the videos and the pictures of the school, hearing Apurva, hearing other batchmates from Gitanjali. Definitely, I would want to express my gratitude, my sincere compliments to my faculty and Principal ma'am, Sukumaran ma'am, also Karan ma'am, who've been great pillars of strength and support back when I was in school. And your wishes and blessings have always been a part of my journey. So I've been a full-fledged product of Gitanjali, starting from a nursery till my 12th grade. So in 1998, I joined in Gitanjali when I was 3 years old in nursery, and I passed out in 2009. I was one of the first batchmates of Cambridge curriculum in A-level. So I completed my schooling till 7th grade in the ICSE board as a regular student. And after my 7th in ICSE, I shifted to the Cambridge curriculum and I completed my classes 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, all in just one academic year. That was something obviously unheard of, and only with the support of the faculty members and Karan ma'am and Sukumaran ma'am, it was definitely their support and their encouragement which inspired me to kind of take up this challenge. So I kind of obviously chose this path because I was more inclined towards mathematics and commerce subjects. So I had that flexibility to choose in Cambridge right from an early age, and from my 8th to 12th onwards. So all that I had to put a lot of extra hours and a lot of effort. Definitely the faculty was very, very supportive, and even after school hours, they used to spend a lot of time in the school and used to mentor me and guide me. And in just 1 year time, I completed my 8th to 12th grades. And in the first 6 months, I did my IGCSE, and the next 6 months, AS and A-level. I think the fastest possible duration. And after my 12th, of course, I wanted to go abroad for my undergraduation, pursue my bachelor's in the UK. But I was just about 12 years old. Usually we're around 17 and 18 by the time you're complete our 12th grade. So I was just about 12 years old. So there were a lot of restrictions for such a young child to pursue, to have a parent, guardian, and other kind of regulations. So I had to stay back in India, and I decided to pursue my chartered accountancy and my bachelor's. So by 18, I completed my master's in mathematics, MSc mathematics. I became the youngest postgraduate from Usmania University. And by 19, I completed my chartered accountancy and became India's youngest CA. And I also have been conferred with the National Child Award, which is the highest honor given by the President of India to only one child every year. And I've also been accredited by the National Geographic Channel as one of the 7 brilliant brains, and I achieved 2 Guinness World Records in the field of memory power. And I've been very passionate towards mathematics since my childhood, and even kind of starting from class 5, 6 itself, I went on to author many papers and books on school math, and had a lot of care and support back in school. And I still remember all my math teachers, starting from my grade 1, a lot of support. And I went on to design India's first mathematics laboratory also in school in Gitanjali. And for that achievement, I got the President's Award from Abdul Kalam ji back then. So definitely one thing I want to convey to all the parents and to the students who are here is that with hard work, focus, and patience, you can achieve your goals and dreams. And in Gitanjali, obviously, it's a wonderful, vibrant atmosphere which is created for the students and to make your dreams come alive. And I'm very sure that with the support of faculty and the management and with your parents' support, you can definitely make your dreams come true. And one thing that really inspired me to choose Cambridge was that the conventional curriculum of, say, CBSE or ICSE was more of knowledge, instead of knowledge driven, it was more of memorization based. And it was more of like, say, I thought it was a little a vacuum was there between the real life scenarios and the theoretical knowledge. But in Cambridge, we had a lot of real life application based approach and a lot of case study based approach. And the examination pattern was definitely very different compared to ICSE or CBSE. And back in 2008, when I chose IGCSE and ASA level, I was quite surprised with the in-depth subject clarity, what I kind of was given. And also, I was very inspired when the kind of quantum of syllabus was almost on par with bachelor's and master's degrees of Indian boards back then. Definitely that robust foundation back in 10th and 12th grades really helped me to crack my chartered accountancy in the first attempt. And one misconception what parents usually have is that we need to choose Cambridge curriculum only if you want to go abroad for undergrad. I don't think that's true, because I stayed back in India, obviously did my undergraduation and master's in India itself. Obviously, Cambridge really helps you to crack your entrance tests abroad, and it's going to definitely be a good stepping stone. But I'm sure it's of equal importance, of equal value addition, even if you want to stay back in India and pursue your further studies here. So that flexibility in choosing the subjects, any combination what you want to do, and also the examination pattern, which is more of real life application based, correlating theoretical knowledge to the outside world, and also the kind of holistic orientation was very, very useful. And that's what those are the key takeaways from the journey at Gitanjali from Cambridge. Yeah.
Education is the passport to future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for today. Today's session on Parenting Made Easy was an eye-opener. We actually understood, many parents would agree with me, Mrs. Jayanti's session was very informative. We have understood how important it is to understand the child, how important it is to think positively, and what is the importance of giving autonomy and giving autonomy with a responsibility, how important all these are for as parents. This was a very informative session. Thank you, Dr. Jayanti, for this immensely valuable and insightful session. I extend my gracious appreciation to Mrs. Geeta Karan, Founder, Principal and Director, Gitanjali Group of Schools, for her constant encouragement and inspiration to guide us ahead. Our Principal, Mrs. Sukumaran's conscientious zeal in perfection in every aspect is evident in many success stories of the institution. Thank you, ma'am, for your constant support and guidance. I extend our gratitude to Mrs. Rini Datta, Headmistress Gitanjali Primary School, and Mrs. Javara, Coordinator, Cambridge International Primary Wing, for coordinating with parents of Primary Wing, and Mrs. Chetna Raj, Coordinator for classes 7 and 8, for coordinating with class 7 parents to join us today. A huge round of appreciation to our alumni who have instantly responded to the clarion of their alma mater. Thank you, Apurva and Sulekha, for sharing your thoughts. Child prodigy, Guinness Book World Record holder, Nishal, Very happy to see you here, Nishchal, today. Thank you for joining us today and sharing your success story and views about the institution and the Cambridge International, which was highly motivating. It was a great pleasure to have you here today with us. Thank you, dear parents, for joining us today. I hope this session has been valuable for you to decide your child's future with Cambridge International. Last but not the least, I also thank Ms. Husna and Mr. Pranay for hosting this informative program. Thank you, everyone. Good luck and stay safe.